for both iOS and Android devices. And look at just all of the new stuff that you have here, guys. It is phenomenal. What's good, people? I'm back and ready to show you the only working Pokemon Go spoofer that you can get for both iOS and Android devices. A lot of new features, a lot of new additions for your Pokemon Go game, guys, that you can play at home from now on with the Pokemon Go spoofer. So let me show you how we can get it. So people, I have the Pokemon Go spoofer and I will show you how you can get that exact Pokemon Go spoofer for both iOS and Android devices. And look at just all of the new stuff that you have here, guys. It is phenomenal. I mean, what more could you ask of it? I will show you each and every step right now how you can get it for both iOS and Android devices. But make sure to have your Wi-Fi on. Do not use any type of VPN connections. That being said, open up any browser but search for gospoofer.com. On there, guys, you will scroll down a bit down below and find this right here, start injection button. So we will start the whole process and select our platform. And now you can select GPS spoofer and virtual joystick, which are already selected. Auto walk routes, cooldown timer, auto pokey stuff, IV checker, enchant throw, and anti-bend shield version 2, which is a must have, of course. So make sure to have selected all, guys, and see what is adequate to you to use and play your favorite Pokemon Go game, guys, with the Pokemon Go spoofer. It will not be the same, simple as that. So let's connect this and now click here. You will then be redirected to the last step of this whole process. So how do you go about it? You will have two options. The first option will be to install, download, and do what it says from you in the description with these apps. So you will be redirected to the App Store, Google Play Store. You will need to read in the description what it says from you. So install, download, and start 3-day free trial for Fun Maker. For My Purina, just register on it, guys, after installing and downloading it. Of course, downloading and installing it, rather said. Or you can go ahead and complete 2 questionnaires. So you will open up some questionnaires and just make sure to, of course, answer them, follow up those questions, and that is how you go ahead and complete this whole process and get the Pokemon Go spoofer. Guys, so simple, so easy, and so efficient. You saw the results on my phone. Make sure to follow each and every step like I did right here, and you will have them as well. Don't forget to leave a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment down below if you have further questions. Otherwise, see you in the next video. Goodbye.